everyone, Bobby Two Pops Breaks. It is Tuesday, May the 4th. We are breaking Bomb Box full-size helmets. We randomed up our 31 remaining box numbers. We got box number 10. Did random teams for it on the left. Teams customers have been randomized and alphabetized. Gave everybody a chance to trade. No one trading. First break of the night. No one trading there, so we're just going to pop our darn box. Wow, very nice hit for somebody, guys. Telling you, we've been pulling really nice last few days here, guys. Starting to get into the heart of our series there. Very nice hit for someone. Bam! Going to be the Arizona spot. Bam! With the Kyler Murray Camo Authentic on that, folks. Beckett card and certification. And again, guys, as far as the camo goes, she's not bad, man. Like I said, some of these camos are friggin' awful. This one's not bad at all. Got the Kyler Murray Camo Authentic Beckett certification. They see Arizona. Wow, well, Tom, man, Tom's been one spot in a few helmets this series. Took Zeke a couple nights ago. Gonna get a very nice hit there as well with the Kyler Murray Camo Authentic. Very sorry, everybody else. Tom bouncing back here. Was on a bit of a dry spell there for a while. Making a decent comeback, though. Said two nice helmets out of the series for him. Zeke and Kyler. We're going to run your qualifier, guys. All right, guys, I'll let you keep it $1 off. So any keeps, if you guys do want to keep, it would be 18. But what the heck did I do with my marker? Darn it. Hopefully this one works. Alright, got Ritter. Tom at the bottom there. Alright, so Tom can't qualify. He only had the one entry. Alright, we got a 6, everybody. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 times. I got Jake and Pat on our 2 qualifiers. Let's see where the heck we're at on those. That is qualifier 7374, everybody. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook. We usually go 6 or 7 days a week, so step on by, guys. 8 p.m. Central, Bobby Two Pops Breaks.